Hello people, it's a very sunny and it's a nice day and it's a nice weather, and we are going to a small adventure in the Tamhini Ghat called the Devkund Waterfall. I don't know whether it's still open or not, but if it's not there, then we're going to go forward to Kasger. And I heard that the Tamhini Ghat road is very rough, it's not good, but let's see what happens with this adventure. Good morning to you all.
So we reached Devkund and this is some kind of dam, but it's very beautiful. And the guides here say they take 500 per group, but we decided that we would get lost in the jungle. So let's see. Okay, so we decided not to take a guide and we are going to follow the trail just by the side of this lake. We got one more group which is accompanying us to the waterfall.